my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious scallop potatoes. And the thing is I made these potatoes this past, I think it was Thanksgiving, and it was really great. So I wanted to bring it to my channel. So if you're going to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell, just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So for these delicious scallop potatoes, I'm going to use 1.5 pounds of Yukon or gold potatoes, and I've already washed them in the sink. And these potatoes are perfect for scallop potatoes because unlike the Idaho potato, you don't have to peel the skin. And as you can see, I'm just going to grab my knife and cut some slices. Now once I'm done slicing up all of my potatoes, I'm going to put them in a bowl, and I'm just going to put some water in it just so that it can take out any excess starch. Now while I let the potatoes sit in water, I'm just going to take 6 garlic cloves, take my knife, and give them a rough chop. Yeah, I love garlic so much. It is so healthy for you. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the stove because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cheese sauce. So first thing, I'm going to melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. And I went ahead and I chopped 1 medium onion, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the butter. And now I'm ready to add in the chopped garlic, and I'm just going to continue to stir my onions and garlic over medium heat, and you just want to continue to cook until the onions are completely translucent and tender. So now I'm ready to add flour to the onions and garlic, and this is what's going to create a base for the cheese sauce. And you just want to continue to stir until the flour is completely dissolved, and it's going to really create the thickness that we're going to need. And now I'm ready to add 2 cups of milk, or if you have cream, you can add cream. And I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. And of course, don't forget to season with sea salt and some black pepper. And again, you just want to continue to stir the sauce so that it doesn't stick and burn at the bottom of the pan. And as you continue to stir it over medium heat, you will notice that the sauce will become thick. So at this point, you want to turn the heat off, and you want to begin adding your 3 cheeses, starting with a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. So just grab a spoon and begin stirring everything together, and the heat from the sauce is going to create the most delicious cheese sauce. Okay, so this is what the cheese sauce looks like. So now let's begin building up our scallop potatoes. I have a baking dish, and I'm going to spray it with some nonstick spray. And I've already rinsed the potatoes, and I'm going to take half of those potatoes and just line the bottom of the dish. And just take half of the cheese sauce and pour it over the first layer of potatoes. And we're going to do it all over again with the last layer of potatoes. And of course, you're going to take the rest of the cheese sauce and you're just going to pour it over the second layer of potatoes. And now I'm just going to take a piece of aluminum foil and cover up the potatoes, and you just want to make sure that it's covered up really good so that no air escapes. And the potatoes are going to be baked twice, so I've already preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to let them bake off for the first 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes of baking in the oven, I'm going to take the foil off, and I'm going to put the potatoes back in the oven, and they're going to bake off between 45 and 50 minutes. Okay, so after 50 minutes of baking in the oven, my scalloped potatoes are all done, golden brown and delicious. And you know what? Hopefully I'll have this video up before Easter, and this would be a great and delicious side dish you can serve for your Easter dinner. The potatoes are cooked perfect and that cheese sauce is absolutely delicious. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help the algorithm out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.